Good morning, 8th class students. Our running topic is linear equations in one variable. So today I am going to explain some more problems from the chapter. Shaker gives a quarter of his sweets to Ray and then gives 5 sweets to Raja. He has 7 sweets left. How many did he have to start with? First of all, I don't know how many sweets are there with Shaker left. Total number of sweets with Shaker. The total number of sweets with Shaker. I am taking as X. I am taking as X. Then sweets given to Renu. Sweets given to Renu. So from that sweets he gave quarter sweets. It means X by 4. X by 4. Next, sweets given to Raji. So how many sweets? 5 sweets. Thereafter he has 7 sweets. He has 7 sweets left. So as per given, what is the total number of sweets? X. Total number of sweets X means the sweets with Renu plus the sweets with Raji and also plus how many sweets are left is equal to X. So what we can write here? X by 4 plus 5 plus 7 is equal to X. X by 4 plus 7 plus 5, 12 is equal to X. Then X by 4 is equal to X minus 12. Now we are doing cross multiplication. By the cross multiplication, we get X is equal to 4 into X minus 12. 4 into X minus 12. X is equal to 4 into X minus 12. X is equal to 4 into X, 4X. 12 4s are 48. Now I am taking like terms are one side. Minus 48 plus 48 plus x minus x. So 4x minus x. 48 is equal to 3x. Then 48 by 3 is equal to x. 3 ones are 3. 1 left. 3 6 are 18. X is equal to 16. So Shaker started with 16 sweets. Total number of sweets with Shaker is equal, X is equal. So Shaker had 16 sweets. So students, here is another question from the chapter. If a train runs at 40 kilometers per hour, if a train runs at 40 kilometers per hour, it reaches the destination by 11 minutes late. But if it runs at 50 kilometers per hour, it late by 5 minutes. For example, here one train is covering some distance. If it runs at 40 kilometers speed, it reaches the destination 11 minutes late. Okay, second time. Now it moves with 50 kilometers per hour speed. It late by 5 minutes. Here I don't know what is the distance covered by train. Let the distance covered by train is equal to x kilometers. So I am taking that required distance is equal to x kilometers. Case 1. If it runs with 40 kilometers per hour speed. Case 1. If it runs with 40 kilometers per hour speed. Time taken to cover the required distance. What is the formula to find time? Time is equals distance by speed. Time is equal to distance by speed. Here, what is the distance? X kilometers. By what is the speed? 40 kilometers. So, to cover the required distance, if the train moves with 40 kilometers per hour, it took x by 40 minutes. Next. So, case 2. Time taken to cover the distance if train runs with 50 kilometers per hour speed. What is the case 2? In case 2, the train is moving with 50 kilometers per hour speed. Time taken to cover the distance if train moves with 50 kilometers per hour speed. Then what is the formula to find? Time is equal to distance by speed. What is the distance? X. And what is the speed? 50. So in first case, it took 11 minutes later. And second case, 5 minutes later. Now, difference between the times. 11 minus 5 is equal to 6 minutes. But the speed is in hours. This minutes you have to convert as to hours. 6 minutes is nothing but 6 by 60 hours. 6 ones are 6 tenths. So it is nothing but 1 by 10. Now, what is the speed? The time of the first case? X by 40 minus x by 50 is equal 1 by 10. Is equal 1 by 10. What is the LCM here? Is 50x minus 40x is equal to 1 by 10. Now I am doing cross multiplication. From that 50x minus 40x 10x into 10 is equal this 2000. Now x is equal 2000 by 100. 2 zeros are cancelled. What is the value of the x is equal to 20 kilometers. So what is the required distance? Required distance is equal to 20 kilometers. Now the train covers 20 kilometers distance. Class students, here is another question. If 3 is for the numerator of a fraction is 6 less than the denominator. The numerator of a fraction 6 less than the denominator. Solution. The numerator of a fraction 6 less than the denominator. Let I am taking denominator as x. I am taking denominator as x. Then what about the numerator? The the numerator of a fraction 6 less than the denominator. So numerator should be x minus 6. Why? Because numerator 6 less than the denominator. If 3 is added to the numerator, here 3 is added to numerator. What is the numerator here? X minus 6. How much added? 3 is added. So it is nothing but x minus 6 plus 3. It means x minus 3. The fraction is equal to 2 by 3. So required fraction is equal to 2 by 3. It means numerator by denominator is equal to 2 by 3. Here what is the numerator? X minus 3. And what is the denominator? X. X minus 3 by x is equal to 2 by 3. Here I am doing cross multiplication. So by the cross multiplication, what will get here? 3 into x minus 3 is equal to 2x. 3 into x, 3x. Minus 3 is 9 is equal to 2x. Taking like terms on one side. 3x minus 2x is equal to 9. Then x is equal to 9. What is the value of the x? X is equal to 9. X is nothing but denominator of a fraction. So denominator is equal to x, numerator is equal to x minus 3. The sum of the page numbers on the facing pages of your book is 373. What are the page numbers? Solution. Here one book is given. So on that book I have two pages, page 1 and page 2. So sum of these two numbers is nothing but 373. Let page number on first page is equal to x. Then other page number must be x plus 1. So if this number is 10, next number 11. If this number is 20, the next one 21. If this number is x, this is nothing but x plus 1 as per data. So sum of the two numbers is equal to 373. So x plus 1 is equal to 373. 1x plus 1x, 2x. 2x is equal to 373 plus 1. So 2x is equal to 374. X is equal to 374 by 2. 2 ones are 2. Remaining 1, 17. 2 8s are 2 7. So what is the number? 187. So the first page number is 187. Then other page number should be 187 plus 1 is equal to 188. First page number x is equal to 187. Other page number is equal to x plus 1 is equal 187 plus 1 is equal to 188. So what are the required page numbers? 187 and 188. So 8 class students, here is the whole. The sum of the page numbers on facing pages of your book is 305. What are the page numbers? The sum of the numerator and denominator of a fraction is 24. The sum of the numerator and denominator of a fraction is 24. If we subtract 4 from the numerator, then it reduces to 1 by 4. Find out the fraction. It means you have to find the numerator and also denominator.